train couplers to couple it together.
Okay.
And see the rubber hoses on there, the bumpers? They discovered that kids they were individual, and the kids would bang into each other, bumper cars. And so that's why they had those rubber things. But so I put the couplers on.
Okay.
And then I had that the trucks for the boxcar made for little kids that weren't strong enough to push it. And
That's you need to pull me around on that.
Yeah, right. It's too hard.
Are those the original rubber pieces, or did you have to replace them?
No, they were on there when I got it.
Huh.
But they weren't original.
Okay.
I think that's an afterthought.
Yeah, and how did you build that little car to go with it?
I just had the trucks made to my specs.
Yes.
And then I built the boxcar, you know.
Okay.
And then there's a seat that the little kids can sit on.
There it is.
And that shed there has a history. I had a big tree right there, golden rain tree, huge. And I discovered that little rain trees were growing all over the yard. So I cut it down, and guess where it fell? Right on top of my train.
Oh no! Oh no!
But the object is one switch the two trains.
I'm old, okay? I
Back
resemble
to the
that.
other without running into each other. So you got to get them out of date. You also have to get I don't know where the power is hooked up, but I don't
Because he's going over in that street.
I got even change switch number 5. All right, we got to get more switch 5 back. 5 back.
What's the one that's just
I don't know why it's not getting power. No, I don't think it is. I think it just needs power. Let me. Let me get by you.
board. That's
Change the switch, number
tons
1.
of money. Number 1. She has already 3 master's degrees. And when
But I
she
don't know
got
why
here,
I'm not getting power.
she's going back to school again
But
for
why
another
can't you just
There it
one.
is. There it is.
Her parents just working.
Now you gotta switch it back.
Her parents got
Whoop.
work. No. her parents-